All right, we're gonna do the Taj Mahal premium lager beer. It's from India. 4.5% alcohol.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
I don't know the IBUs though.
Oh, well, I'm sure they're pretty low. It's just going to be a
Nice head.
European style lager, you know, like a Spaten or something. Has that
Smells
smell.
good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Mm-hmm. Yeasty and clean.
Damn.
I mean, I would think this would be a German kind of
It is
beer.
kind of, yeah. Oh my God, it's great. Yeah, you got the flavor right up front, and then it dies out a little bit.
Ooh.
Damn,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, almost like a real light fruitiness, and then malty, real light caramel and maltiness kind
It's smooth
of comes and
away.
finishes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just clean,
Oh yeah.
full-bodied, you know, flavorful.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I was gonna say the clean flavor goes just nice and smooth.
Doesn't it though? God damn, beautiful light color, strawish, perfectly filtered. This is good shit.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I love that continental kind of flavor, even though it's from India. Silky.
Yeah. Yeah, it's smooth and rich at the same time.
I don't know, seafood beer, some sea bass.
Yeah.
Maybe grilled up sea bass or seared and oven finished sea bass with some pan
Oh
sauce.
yeah.
Red chilies, green chilies.
Yeah, hot shit would be good with this.
Yeah, it would. I mean, it's from India, so we could do some Indian curry.
Yeah.
You know, some red Indian curry with the traditional, traditional gravy, or even some yellow Indian curry and some naan, you know, the flatbread stuff. You know, the pastries with the peas and the potatoes inside and the curry sauce. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Outstanding.
Absolutely.
Afternoon like this, it's kind of sunny out. Maybe you're outside, you're having sushi or something, drinking several of these, getting day drunk.
Yep.
This would be the fucking premiere.
Good stuff.
Yeah.